Hello friends, today we are learning data entry jobs. Yeah, what is data entry? Number one, data entry is a inputting of data or information into our computer using input devices such as a keyboard, scanners, disk, and voice. Number two, data entry is a job where an employee inputs data into our computer from forms or the other non-electronic forms of data. Today, many online data entry jobs are available to provide the employee to enter the data into the online database. What do I need to know for a data entry job? To get a data entry job and perform well, you need to be proficient at typing and type at least 50 to 80 words per minute. Some data entry position may require a typing speed of over 80 words per minute. Being proficient at typing means you can type with a minimum grammar and punctuation error. How to improve your typing? There are many different techniques you can utilize to increase the speed of and accuracy of typing. The following section lists these techniques and how to implement them to improve the performance on the keyboard. If it is good to keep the mind, as you cannot cultivate these skills overnight. Getting better requires practice. We recommend reading each of the following sections as they are contain information for improving typing skill. However, we just also include a page in navigation menu in the case on subject interest you more than others. Proper finger placement. Learn to type correctly, non-tapping with one or two fingers. Until back finger should be on the home how key and if you on English keyboard or keyboard in home row after learning to touch a speak type faster. Try a different keyboard. Try a keyboard that comes with computers are often cheap. Membrane keyboards consequently they have many decreased your typing accuracy and speed. Similarly, level keyboards are smaller than those on a desktop, which can cause more errors for people with bigger hands. If you want to increase your typing speed, consider purchasing a mechanical keyboard for your computer. Mechanical keyboards can improve your accuracy by helping reduce errors from hitting the wrong key. Try more and practice. Type more or practice. Although it may seem obvious, it should be noted that practicing will improve your typing speed. The more you type, the more familiar you become with a computer keyboard, the position of its keys, and how your hands should be positioned. Try not to look at the keyboard while typing. Not looking at the keyboard is usually hard for beginners, but it's a skill that you should be learned as it can dramatically improve your typing speed. If you need to help learning not to look at your hands, trying putting a large piece of paper over them. You can also try putting stickers on each key so you can't cheat by looking at them while typing.